Some unusual discussion is underway and the participants are more unique. God, the creator of all seen and unseen, angels, a soul with life but without body, bound and manufactured to obey the orders of God, and they never denied. Jinn, that is a creature made out of fire. One of them was named Azazel, who worshipped and obeyed God in that passionate manner to manage place for himself at highest level of following. God discloses that I am going to create human, shocked the other participants, and the next line was a bombshell that human will lead a planned creation of the earth. Angels were a bit confused. Human was planned to create with soil and some other components of this earth, apparently of some low level of positivity. While Jinn was convinced that as he is made of fire is far superior than a human who is made of soil. How can he lead? Azazel, later named Iblis and Shaitan, couldn't able to realize that it is not the body of human that is considered, but it is the soul inside the body. God replied, "You don't know of him what I know, and rest is just amazing." Welcome viewers, I wish you are doing yourselves. Human history has experienced so much development to reach modern era, and that is one can dreamt of. From nowhere to reach this level of extraordinary developments, to make universe a transitional lifestyles enhancement with all available means and resources. Most of the time, as self-taught entity, a human has founded a way of making human and other companions of their land to live to their wishes, and done some wonderful inventions to surprise the world. And it was rightly said by the Lord, the only creator, that you don't know that what I know, when he was asked by the angels and the devil. When a human was in a development process and was discussed the good and bad of being a combination of some known earth particles, but the real human was inside, and that is a soul. This channel will try to focus on learning the purpose of the creation of human and how this earth is made or created to help survive and grow of lives. From the very day of human history, men always tried to investigate what is around, where he lives, and try to answer that how and why this creation is made. Humans rely only information that is already available and thinks that this is last and final information. But research on routine basis and the questions that hit the human minds has developed the unexpected. Human history has experienced so much development to reach known heights, and this is one can only imagine. From nowhere to reach this level was a right reason to create humans. To analyze a human with different attitudes, characters and intellects, one can guess that human beings are the best creation of the Creator. Some magical things have been happening throughout the human career of developing and growing to its choice and convenience, and this is happening on routine basis. Human had started and never looked back, starting from the fight to survive and struggled to reach here is not a joke. Every day comes up with new technological and scientific inventions to add more facilitation to the lifestyles of humans. All that is achieved motivates more to explore, and that is never ending job. Known history of humans suggests that there is a human behind every invention. Literature, a warrior, constructions, scientific knowledge, technology, and count on. Where human has made significant sensations. Universe and all what it holds is made suitable for mankind by the human, and the same time he is still working to conquer the universe, adding more achievements to his profile. Human history is full of human achievements, but the question arises that has human found the real purpose of creating him? He comes, lives for time, and that is not. With all these powers and some outstanding behaviors around the globe showcase the variety of skills and creativity in human. There are many interesting questions to discuss that how human have achieved so much. Join us on this journey to understand the miracles in human. Thanks for watching.